Okay, we're filming.
Ow!
I'm glad I got that on film.
Crap, man.
Did that hurt your sunburn?
I'm not that burnt. That would have hurt.
Well, your back's gonna be red now.
Check that out.
Nice.
Did you get sprayed?
No, when I started sliding, I made sure that I just kind of, well, no, I just made sure that I kept skiing off the side.
So what went through your mind right when you slipped?
My mind was to clear the rock. That was the thing is, I was worried about my push-off clearing the rock.
I got this all on film.
When I started to slide, I just, kind of skied the slope.